It seems your first semester went very well. And do you have a target college in your mind?
Not yet.
Yeah, I looked through the details of all these schools.
Great. I think your list is very close to final now.
Curating a college list takes time. More time than most families expect. On average, students spend 20 to 40 hours researching and selecting the schools that make it onto their list. And that's just the active research. The process stretches over months, beginning as early as 10th grade, intensifying through junior year, and continuing into the summer before senior year. Lists grow, shrink, change. Schools get added, removed, reconsidered. And managing it all across tabs, spreadsheets, and scattered websites can feel overwhelming. That's why we built US College Map. From early exploration to visit planning, you can visualize schools on one simple map. Save and refine your list, compare colleges side by side, and share or print everything for family or counselor discussions. Instead of chaos, you finally get clarity. US College Map, supporting every step of your college search.